St. Albert, Alberta, Canada, where 86 Fawcett Crescent, this lovely bungalow, is situated in. From tree-lined streets, excellent schools, and thriving cultural scene, and low crime rate and unemployment rate, this city is sought after. Check out this lovely home in 86 Fawcett Crescent in Forest Lawn, a mature neighborhood of St. Albert, Alberta. It's got a modern, unique feel. It's chalet-like with open concept and has been fully renovated with open beams, cathedral ceilings, and a modern, thoughtful kitchen. This property is been well priced and has 3 bedrooms above grade, as well as an additional bedroom downstairs. The primary bedroom is tucked away in its own little corner where it has been completely renovated and includes a 3-piece ensuite. Vinyl plank flooring throughout this home, upstairs and downstairs, and brand new triple pane windows throughout. This primary bedroom also has patio doors leading to the spacious backyard. Continuing on through, you'll notice the upgraded stainless steel appliances and the luxurious granite countertops. Continuing on, there are 2 additional bedrooms on this main floor, both with lovely closet organizers, perfect for children or if you are just downsizing. The 4-piece bathroom on this floor has also been completely renovated and has a modern farmhouse feel throughout. Fresh paint completes this package and new light fixtures throughout. This property also has new fresh paint, and as you continue down the stairs, you'll notice that the feeling is cozy and has more additional square footage down here for family to enjoy. It has a gas insert, fireplace, and all the windows have been upgraded for egress, easy release windows. There is a lovely theater room that could be converted into an additional bedroom down here with newer carpet, and the projector in the theater system does come with the home. Continuing onward, in this home, you will find that in the basement there is another additional bedroom, which is large and has that egress window as well, so it is bright and airy. New T-bar ceilings and LED lighting completes this. Brand new laundry room and a new hot water tank with a 3-piece bathroom on this floor. There is a private fenced backyard and a newer deck and a bar and a double detached garage. Very popular crescent in St. Albert. Look no further. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX, 780-297-3132. For this property or more properties below, please click on my subscribe.